hope my peers will take away from this performance is that even though we are a Chinese CCA, we would like to embrace songs such as Chan Mali Chan and the Gelang Sipaku Gelang as a part of the daily things we do in our CCA as well. We can play different types of songs as well to make sure that our school will be able to know the different types of Malays, Indian songs.
Personally, for me, what I've learned about each other's culture is their food. Like the play, it was all about each culture's food. And before the performance, I didn't actually realize that Indian food and Malay food was so similar. But after the performance, I really learned that. And I really hope that my peers also learned that.
So this year's Racial Harmonies theme is our multicultural mosaic, which is basically like different pictures coming together to create one whole artwork, which symbolizes different races in Singapore coming together in like harmony to work towards like a good nation. I hope my peers can take away and be more aware of other cultures in Singapore and more about like their practices and their foods and like their tradition.
I personally feel that's very important for students to be involved in the planning. They get the choice to choose which topic is important because they are the one who's going through it. So for example, they are the one who talk about casual racism, something that they feel is not okay, but it's happening in everyday life, so they want to bring across this element. We want to inculcate the student voice in our planning as well as student empowerment in our planning. So that's why we always get the student leaders to be the one in charge of planning and organizing school events.